Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. I welcome all of you with this new video, and I am sure you are going to like this video because it is having so stylish and so adorable designs of frilly flower scarves for women. These scarves can be worn by women, by girls, by teenagers, or by anyone because these are so cute and so lovely. So, if you are liking these scarves and if you are liking all the designs and ideas, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. It is free and you don't have to pay anything for subscription. And I hope you like all these ideas. Here are so many pictures and designs in front of you on the screens. You can see these are with bright colors, these are with light colors, and the flower patterns are so easy to copy. You can go for any of these because they are so stylish and so trendy. If you are planning to do some scarves in your lockdown period, then these designs are for you and you can choose anyone that suits you the best. Even if you are trying to give these scarves to someone else, for example, some grandmothers do these scarves for their grandbabies, so this is so lovely if you do this. And there are so prominent colors. For example, this one is so beautiful and this yellow one is also beautiful. You can carry it with any color like white or blue or anyone else. And this one is also so frilly and so beautiful. And the women who just like to wear frilly scarves or flowered scarf, these ideas are for them and these are so beautiful because the most important thing is that you are having comfort and style along with beauty. So these are going to give you comfort because it happens that whenever we wear something in our necks or around our necks, if it is not comfortable, then it gives us irritation and we don't feel comfortable anymore. So having styles with comfort is actually what we want. So here are all these ideas that are super comfortable for you. And one thing more, if you are liking this video, please subscribe and hit like and share it with others because it is super essential for my encouragement and confidence. I thank you for supporting me and for watching me. Look at this one. This is so beautiful in red color and you can wear it with white color dress or with any other like black color, and even the maroon and the red one go with yellow color, with blue color, with white color, with pink color, and so many other light colors are there that you can choose for wearing red scarves. And if you are having to wear a black or blue scarf, for example this blue one can be so pretty if you wear it with light pink color, and this mustard one can be super gorgeous if you are wearing a black colored top or black colored shirt or anything like that. And these look so pretty. For example, this one is having a stylish net as well as flowers, and you would be so beautiful and so elegant while wearing these. I hope all these designs are so beautiful and you are liking these. So if you are liking these, please hit like. For example, this one is also so cute and super flowered. You can wear it with the dress you want. The most important thing is that crochet gives you positivity. Crochet is actually the comfort. For me, it is the name of comfort. For me, it is the name of style, the name of beauty, the name of actually peace inside, as well as happiness, serenity. And not only for me, I believe that so many women over the world, I think I should say that almost all the women around the world should agree to my point, or they may agree to my point, because it is so true. Crochet is about peace, it's about comfort. It gives you the opportunity to utilize your time in a very positive way to spread happiness. And one of the examples is that when you do something with your own hands and then you gift it to someone, and it is a kind of positive gesture, the other person to whom you give actually loves it, and it is about spreading happiness and exchanging the positive things with each other and expressing actually the happiness around the world. This one is also so cute. See on your screen, this one is also having some dark colored patterns, and it can be worn with light colored cloths or light colored top. For example, with white it will be so prominent. Let me give you one tip that wear those colors with your scarves that are actually according to the true combination and contrast. For example, if you are going for a dark colored or bright colored scarf, then you must wear those scarves with some light colored tops and some light colored shirt. And if you are going for some light colored scarf, then you must go for some dark colored shirts. For example, if you are having a white scarf, for example this one skin, then you can wear it with even black color top, or you can wear it with blue color top or anyone. I hope you like it.